Welcome to CFI Tech. This is the dashboard, what you are seeing here. So you can get a quick review about sales inquiries, booking slots reserved, bookings, total exports, total imports, purchases, and sale invoices made. This is a widget which shows operations. So you have bookings, imports, exports shown here as a donut chart. Then you have imports versus exports data, which is an analytics shown for the last 6 months. And then you have container status, which we are going to go to it. Now here you can see there are some quick buttons which leads you to create new sales inquiry, new booking slot, new booking, new export, import, new purchase, and new invoice. Now let's go to container inventory. So on the left you see here, these are your menu items. Some of the menu items would be having sub menu items. So in this case you can see there are some menus which has sub menu items. Here it is used to minimize and maximize your menu. As you can see here, this page is called as the index page. So index page for container details. Now containers have three statuses: loaded, empty, and on water. Each container has a code. Its container type defined, the party who the container is purchased or leased from, current location, available date, and the idle number of days that it is stored. So these information are quick info for the containers. For a detailed information, you have to click this button here. So this will give you a view about the container. We go back to the So we are back to our index page and we would like to edit this container. So you click on the edit button. So details of the container can be edited here. You can change the status of the container to empty or on water. Now normally we do not recommend changing statuses via the container details page. This automatically happens when you perform any operation like import or export or bookings. The container status changes automatically in your operations. So we go back to our index page. Three buttons shown here is used if you want to download the index page in an Excel format. If I click here, you can download it in an Excel format or a PDF or a Word format file. So as you can see, three formatted files are shown here. Now this is same for all the other modules and screens. On top right here, you can see there is a new container details button which allows you to create a new container. Above that, you can see a search bar where you could search any container based on any character or string you remember. So for example, I would like to search this container here. So I can simply just type in FCIU. So I would get a list of all the containers which has that keyword. Specifically, I want this one, for example. So I will type in. So as you can see, without me typing further, the container shows up based on the query typed in the search bar. So that was all from container details. The next module we'll see in the next part of the video.